What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I actually got two packages in from Adidas. Well actually I got them a few days ago, but they were delivered to my old office, so I just had a chance to pick them up today. So why don't we open these guys up and see what's inside. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at @RealSethFowler. Also, make sure to head on over to Twitch and give me a follow over there at @JustSethFowler. But with all that out of the way, let's get into it. So as I mentioned, these boxes actually got delivered to my old office and a coworker friend of mine actually opened them. So unfortunately, I already know what's inside. And if you've been watching sneaker YouTube at all, you've seen people like Cousteau who did a great video on these packages, unbox these shoes already or unbox what's in these boxes. So not to ruin this unboxing because I already know what's inside and you guys might already know what's inside. But I personally have yet to see what's in these boxes in hand because I asked my coworker friend to actually retape the boxes so I wouldn't be able to see them until right now. But really quick before I get into the boxes, thank you so much to Adidas for sending these boxes my way. It's an honor that you guys are sending me stuff and it's so cool that I get to check out these shoes early and I get to show them to you guys. So I'm stoked on that. Thank you Adidas. So without further ado, let's unbox the first box. So this package actually came in last Thursday, I think, and then the next package came in the next day, which will explain what's going on in this package. But let's see, let me open this guy up. I'm trying to do this with one hand and one hand holding the box. I have a table, but why am I not using the table? Screw it, I already started. This is really dangerous. Here we go. Let's open this guy up. So inside the box, it looks like we actually have another box as expected. The box says Derupt, Disruptively Simple. And this is referencing their new sneaker coming out on March 22nd, which is actually a really cool concept and one that I'm really excited to see in hand. So why don't we take out this inner box first. So inside this box, we've got a card from Adidas. So the card says, scan the code, give your camera access, align with the logo, and share Derupt. Nice. So the way that I'm going to do this is the same way that Cousteau did it because I've already watched his video and the way he recorded the screen was just the smartest way to go about it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to stand up and do this over my chair because my room is a mess and I don't want you guys to see it. So here we go. Take a picture, open Bitly in Safari. Got it. Here we go, virtualderupt.com. Okay, so now, oh, that's sick. This augmented reality experience requires access to your camera. Enable camera to begin. Experience, I'm sorry guys, I'm not wearing any shoes, as you can see in the camera. Okay, align the glyph with your viewer to begin the experience. Here we go. There it is. Oh, that's so sick. That's so cool. I know this is a little bit unorthodox, but Adidas sent me a virtual reality shoe, so it kind of has to be this way. That's so cool. So basically what Derupt is it's this new sneaker with this really interesting mesh over top of it, which gives it this really cool linear look. And I'm really interested to see how it looks in person. That's the reason I'm really excited about checking out the next box, if you couldn't already tell. But I've got to be honest, this is such a sick way to actually like promote a product through virtual reality. That's pretty awesome. Of course, underneath this top piece of cardboard, there's no shoes inside, but that's where the next package comes in. Let's check the shoes out. So here's the next box from Adidas. I'm presuming that it's the shoes. I would hope that it's the shoes. I'm really excited to see these in person. I'm not sure exactly how they're gonna look and I'm not sure exactly how they constructed the sneaker. And that's why I'm excited because I wanna know sort of how it all works. Inside the second box, we have, it looks like just a plain Adidas blue box. Just a standard Adidas blue box. On the front, you've got your size tag, size 9, Derupt Runner. As you can tell by the logos, it's from Adidas Originals. Why don't we open these guys up and see the shoes? So here they are, the Adidas Derupts. This is actually a really interesting shoe. It's kind of got a similar construction or a similar look to the Pharrells, sort of the Pharrell tennis hues. You've got that same sort of separate back tab. The shape is pretty similar. One thing I will say though is that the upper seems pretty much weightless. The midsole and outsole does seem to have some weight to it, so it's not like a super light shoe, but it's definitely not heavy. So obviously the main design detail of this shoe is this linear mesh that runs all over the top of the upper and actually on the midsole as well. On the upper, the mesh actually seems to be like a separate piece that's sewn on like around the top of the ankle collar and around the base of the upper, whereas on the midsole, it's actually like pressed in or glued in or something like that. It's sort of got like a different texture to it, which is kind of interesting. Obviously, you guys know me. I'm definitely gonna do a review of the sneaker. That review will be coming tomorrow, so make sure to check it out. The insole actually has this really nice sort of foam, plush, pillowy feeling to it. That actually feels like it's gonna be pretty comfortable. There's also a pretty cool touch on the medial side right here. There's some like Adidas text underneath that says the size of the shoe, it looks like. No, what does it say? 91074. Maybe it's like the shoe item number. I'm not sure, but it says Adidas and then it says some numbers underneath it. Not sure what they say, but it kind of looks cool under the mesh. Looks really industrial, which I like. Oh, it also comes with black laces too, which I might actually switch out to because I think I might like them better than these white laces. It might actually match with this black accent a little bit better. We'll see. I'm excited to do the review. I'm excited to try these guys on. If you guys want to see these on feet, you're just gonna have to wait till the review tomorrow. But honestly, this is definitely an out there shoe. It's not for everyone, but I'm actually kind of into it, and I really like that Adidas is trying new things. That's something that over the last couple years has really drawn me to Adidas. They're not afraid to try new things and try different things, whether that comes to technology or just style in general. I actually think it's a pretty nice looking shoe, and I'm really excited to see some of the new colorways that are coming out as well. But that seems to be everything in the two boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for the review tomorrow of the Adidas D-Rups. Once again, a huge thank you to Adidas for sending these guys over and keeping me laced up. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to me, Seth Fowler, if you want to see more content just like this, and follow me in all other forms of social media. The links will be in the description below.